how to use Rave app with your friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a fun way to use Rave app with your friends. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. So open the Rave app. With Rave, you can easily invite your friends to join you for movie or podcast or music. So what you have to do is you'll see a variety of movies and podcasts available on the homepage itself. If you want to watch it with others, you can just browse through the options and select something you want to watch. But if you want to watch with specific friend, what you have to do is tap on the people icon on the top right and then search for a friend's username. Now send him or her the friend request, and then once they accept it, what you can do is go to the plus sign and then choose the app that you want to stream from. I'll choose YouTube. Choose the video that you want to stream. On the bottom, you'll see a plus icon with the person. Tap on it and then search for a friend's name, and after he or she has accepted the friend request, it will appear here, and then you can tap the friend and then he or she will be invited and she will join and you can enjoy it together. That's it for today's content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.